Imagine a world where over 300 million people suffer from an unseen ailment. This ailiness, named depression, is not a mere figment of the imagination, but an intense, debilitating condition that can shroud lives in a veil of sorrow and despair. Depression, one of the most prevalent mental health disorders globally, has been a subject of intense scrutiny and study. Yet its etiology, or cause, has proven elusive to pin down. The understanding of this complex condition has evolved, much like a chameleon changing its colors, reflecting the shifting perspectives of various schools of thought over time. In the early days, ancient Greeks believed that depression, or melancholia as they called it, was due to an imbalance in the four bodily fluids or humors. This concept, rooted in the humoral theory, proposed that an excess of black bile led to a melancholic temperament. Fast forward to the 18th and 19th centuries, the age of enlightenment, where depression was viewed through a different lens. It was then thought to stem from moral or spiritual weakness, and treatments often involved moral instruction and spiritual guidance. As the 20th century dawned, the psychoanalytic school, led by the influential Sigmund Freud, suggested that depression was a response to loss and unresolved grief. This talking cure approach, focusing on early life experiences and unconscious processes, became a cornerstone in the understanding and treatment of depression. With the advent of the latter half of the 20th century, the biological model took center stage. Propelled by advances in neurochemistry, this model posited that depression was a result of chemical imbalances in the brain, specifically of neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine. Antidepressant medications, designed to correct these imbalances, became a mainstay of treatment. The cognitive model, championed by Aaron Beck, emerged around the same period. According to this perspective, depression was a product of negative thought patterns and distorted perceptions of reality. Cognitive behavioral therapy, a form of treatment targeting these maladaptive cognitions, gained widespread acceptance. Now, in the 21st century, the understanding of depression has further evolved. The current consensus leans towards a biopsychosocial model, which integrates biological, psychological, and social factors. It recognizes that depression is not a singular entity with a uniform cause, but a complex interplay of genetic predisposition, stressful life events, and individual coping mechanisms. As we journey through the labyrinth of understanding depression, it becomes evident that no single perspective can capture its complexity. Each school of thought has contributed valuable insights and enriched our understanding, yet none can claim to provide a comprehensive explanation. Reflect on these varying perspectives. Ponder the intricate tapestry of factors that contribute to depression. The more we delve into this multidimensional condition, the more we realize it defies a one-size-fits-all explanation. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of depression, we must remain open to new ideas, mindful of our biases, and dedicated to the pursuit of knowledge. For it is only through a nuanced understanding of depression can we hope to offer effective interventions and shed light on the shadows cast by this pervasive condition.